G'day, how's it going? I've got a piece of Remu here and it's perfect size for doing a cutout on the scroll saw. So the plan is to cut it out and make it look all pretty.
Let's go and make something.
I don't have to actually rip it down. All I've got to do is cross cut it. I could possibly even do that on the scroll saw to keep within the rules. I think I'm allowed up to 90% has to be made on the scroll saw, but if I can make a cross cut on the scroll saw as well, all the better. So what I'm going to do is we'll get a square. We will get a square. We'll find a nice spot. Find a nice spot right there. Bit of a waste. Score it across there like that. Make sure we've got enough. We will make it slightly bigger, just to be on the safe side. A liberal amount, but not too much, else you'll never get it off. You also don't want it. So that when you're cutting it, it's giving away. So you put a decent amount, then you just let it sit for maybe 10-15 seconds. It becomes like a tacky pad, one of those sticky pad things, and you can just stick it on. Getting it off is actually very easy. You just use mineral spirits. I use meths or terps, and that just releases the glue. I actually found it quite difficult in general to find something to cut out, because in general New Zealand doesn't celebrate Halloween, so I wasn't really sure what to look for. However, I did the Google thing, the interweb and Google thing, and came up with this design. It's a piece of clip art that I've altered to make it so that we can scroll saw it easily. And then I've added Happy Halloween. I don't even know if you say Happy Halloween, to be honest. I'm assuming you do. That's a lot of scroll sawing. I'm not a very good scroll sawist. Oh well, we'll find out if I can do it or not. I have to find my adapters and go pinless. Now this is a very cheap scroll saw, because I really don't do enough scroll sawing to warrant a nice one. I'd love to have a nice one, make life a lot easier. So being a cheap one, it actually only does pinned blades as well as with an adapter, which I don't know where I've put. There's an adapter. It does pinless. Now, they can be awkward to use, but I've kind of worked out a few tricks. As soon as I've found where I've put everything. I've come to the conclusion that I should have the blade in the right way. It's upside down. It would probably help. I really want a new screw saw if I'm going to do more of it. I enjoy doing it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. You can find us on Google+, Facebook, Pinterest and Twitter. Catch you next time.
Don't forget to go and make something.